how to turn off trending search on Google. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off trending searches on Google. If you are also getting the trending searches like this on Google, then you can follow the steps to turn off the trending feature or the trending searches in Google. For that, click on that Google icon at the top left corner. Once you click on it, you will reach to this section. Here at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon to access the menu. And once the menu appears, you'll find the settings option. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings section. Under the settings section, you will find various options. Make sure you choose the first one that says General. By clicking on General, you will reach to this section. Here just beneath the General, you will find the option that says Autocomplete Settings. You just simply have to tap on this option and explore it. Under Autocomplete sections, you'll find the option that says Autocomplete with trending searches. You'll also find the toggle button at the right side. Currently the switch is on, that's why you are getting the trending searches in Google. Now to turn it off, you just simply have to toggle this button to switch off. And by doing so, from now on you won't get any trending searches on Google. To check it, come back to the home page. And then there you can see you have successfully turned off trending searches on Google. So by following these steps, you can easily disable or turn off trending searches on Google. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.